Hi guys, in front of me is Nokia T21 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first, open your messages, then select new one. Okay, it's over here, and now you can smoothly see your current keyboard language. To change it, click on Settings, select Languages, tap on Add Keyboard, select the keyboard that you wish to apply. You can either scroll all the way down till you find it, or you can use Search button and enter the language that you want to apply. Let me choose, for example, Hebrew. Tap on Done. Now we can remove unnecessary languages bar by marking it, and then tap on bin icon. Let's go back then. And that's it. As you can see, keyboard language has been changed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.